Are you walking today? Yes. A walking tour is going to be different. I cannot show you the squares or the cars thrown by horses, but the best part is that you and nature and Cuban nature, my friends.
Topas de Collantes is a protected landscape divided in 6 different trails, but today we are going to visit Guanayara Park that is located at about 15 kilometers far from here. By truck is at about half an hour. There we are going to walk at about 4 kilometers through the forest by the undulated trail to know about flora and fauna. Also there you will see a waterfall. Please let me show you the picture. This one. The lake, the place where you can swim, if you want to swim, of course. And at the end, we are going to have lunch at the Gallega restaurant. But before to go to the park, we are going to visit a coffee house that is like a coffee museum. There I'm going to explain to you something about a coffee process in Cuba. And if you want to buy a cup of coffee, you will have the opportunity there. The 90% of coffee to the government, so that 90% is the coffee that we use to export. And the process of that 90% at the factory is machine made. But the farmers can keep a 10% of that production. And the process of that 10% is by hands. And here, that as I said, you can see a representation of that. For example, to dry that 10% of coffee, the farmer use a place like that one, which is to dry the coffee beans with the sunlight for a month. And the farmer have to move that coffee like 3 times in a day to dry it faster. After that, he has to peel off that coffee with a pilon, which is like a big mortar made with, we are going to see the pilon inside the coffee house. And that one is to peel off the beans by hand. But also he can use this tool that only you can find it here in this mountain, I mean in the center of Cuba. And we call it pila, which is to peel off a lot of coffee beans, I mean 2, 3, 4 sacks of coffee beans with the legs like this. Like this. 4 hours. It depends how much coffee it has inside. Something like this. The brown color, and it smells good and make a noise like a popcorn. Farmers know that it's ready to ground with a machine like this one. Everything is by hand. Instead of the wood fire, he can use also this tool, rustic tool, that is to roast the beans. We have to put the wood of the charcoal inside this, the coffee beans inside this tool, and the farmer have to move for the same time, half an hour, 35 minutes, and then he have to ground it with this roasting machine. So this is the whole process at the farmer house to drink a cup of coffee. It's very, very long, but I'm sure that is the best coffee that you can drink in here. Okay?
Lady and
We are going to walk at about 4 kilometers through the forest by the undulated trail to know about flora and fauna, because I'm going to show you ornamental plants, medicinal plants that we have here in this mountain. Also, we are going to see an Arabica coffee plantation, and if we are lucky, we will see any bird on the trail. Dangerous animals we don't have in Cuba. The biggest wild animal that we have here is the deer. You know deer? Like a bumpy, but it's difficult, yes, it's difficult to see it. Also, we have snakes in the mountain, but they are not venomous. We are safe here. We are going to see a waterfall. The name of the waterfall is El Rocío. It is at about 32 meters high. We are going to have time there to take some pictures, and then we are going to the lake that is 5 minutes far from the waterfall. There you can swim if you want to swim, and after the lake we are going to walk like 2 kilometers more till the restaurant, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Vamos.
So that's why I'm walking the park.
After 7 or 8 months, he can get a coffee shoot from the plastic bag. He has to plant it inside a coffee plantation, but then the family have to wait like 3 or 5 years to get coffee from the young plant. You know the name of this? No. The pigs, because inside this there is a special oil that is good for pigs, just for pigs. We don't use that oil to cook. We use the root of the palm tree that is very good as a tea when we have kidney problem, as a medicinal root.
Må gi han en så vil han sedde. Det der var smart.
De vil ikke ha mynter, vet du. De vil ikke ha mynter.
Jeg er grisehviskeren.
Jeg vil ikke ha dere inni her. Inne her.
Recuerdo que en mi niñez con mi viejo trabajaba y este a la vez me enseñaba cuánto valía la honradez.